Topping tonight's consumer alert, Fitbit is defending itself against claims its fitness trackers can be hacked wirelessly in 10 seconds and then used to infect a computer with malware. A researcher from security firm Fortinet claimed earlier this month to have found a way to hack into a Fitbit through its Bluetooth connection. In a statement to NBC News, Fitbit disputes the findings, writing the reports are false and that the researcher who made the claims has confirmed to Fitbit that this was only a theoretical scenario and it's not possible. In response, a Fortinet spokesperson says its researcher demonstrated to Fitbit a vulnerability that enabled her to inoculate a Fitbit device with arbitrary code that could be sent to computers that the device connects to over a Bluetooth connection. And according to a lawsuit filed by Oregon's Attorney General, one of the world's largest retailers of health, nutrition, and energy-related supplements, GNC, knowingly sold products spiked with 2 synthetic drugs. The ingredients picamilin and BMPEA are known as hidden speed, and they're not approved in the U.S. or considered safe or natural. The suit claims the company continued to sell the supplements knowing they may contain the substances without testing them or warning customers. Federal and state officials have been cracking down on supplements that call themselves all natural but contain hidden drug ingredients. A spokesperson for the chain says GNC does not comment on pending litigation. And a choking hazard has prompted Build-A-Bear to recall more than 34,000 stuffed animals sold in the U.S. and Canada. The recall covers the Star Bright's dragon in a blue furry fabric with silver satin tummy, feet, pads, wings, and horns. The satin seam can open, allowing the stuffing material inside to be exposed and posing a choking hazard to young children. No injuries have been reported. And people can return the stuffed animal to any Build-A-Bear workshop store to receive a coupon for any stuffed animal there. Why one costume at Target is getting some extra special attention. We'll have that story coming up.